Hey there beautiful friend, this video I am going to show you turn off picture in picture mode on YouTube. Let's get started. First open the YouTube app and make sure to your phone is connected to a valid Wi-Fi network or mobile data. After that tap on the U button at the very bottom right corner. Once you are in there, tap on the settings gear icon at the top right corner. Then scroll down again. Here you can find the playback option, click on it. After that look for the picture in picture mode. Right now this option is turned on by default my phone. To turn it off simply tap on the main toggle switch and this time is turn it off. Now to check it work simply return to the home YouTube app, open any video and this time you can press the home button or home navigation button and not longer be there picture in picture mode feature. Thanks for watching. Like this video, also subscribe my channel. Goodbye guys.